Hey, what's up everybody? It's Mike here, the FPV Evil Monkey. Welcome back to the channel, and I'm down here in Tulsa, Oklahoma with the local multi-GP chapter, the Tulsa Drone Racers. So we're actually in somebody's backyard. Chris Doman, he is the owner of the house here. So we're racing in his huge backyard here, as you can see. This is really cool, a nice big wooded area. So I've never flown anything like this before. So this is going to be quite fun, and it is hot and humid, but at least we got shade. So I'll show you guys around. So here's our start finish gate over here. And then from here, basically we're going to go, let's go around here. So you see there's a flag back there. We're going to go around that flag, back through here, and then around. And we're going to go around through that gate over there. And then we're going to kind of keep following the woods through, and then you see back there's a gate, so that's a split S. So we're going to go up and over and then back through the tunnel. So I have never flown in the woods or trees or anything like this, so this is going to be very interesting.